Hello loves, welcome to my channel. It's Ada's Recipes again with you today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on notification bell. This will enable you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make delicious, yummy French toast recipe. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I walk you through. So here I have 3 medium eggs. Alright, so you'll be breaking in the eggs into a clean large bowl. Add quarter teaspoon grated nutmeg, quarter teaspoon ginger powder, quarter teaspoon salt, fresh pepper to taste, vanilla essence quarter teaspoon. Okay, so you'll be mixing, like whisking, for 3 to 4 minutes. So for the pepper, you can as well add dry pepper. All right, I used this yellow pepper that has a very nice taste and flavor. You can decide to use any type of pepper you want, okay? And you can as well customize this, like add more ingredients to the egg, okay? So we are done with this. So here is slices of bread for this recipe. Heat up your pan, add little oil, and let the oil go around the pan. Dip in your slice of bread into the egg mixture. Bring it out immediately and place on the heated pan. So you'll be toasting each side for about 2 to 3 minutes on low medium heat. So this is a very easy recipe. Flip over to the other side. Like guys, it's so easy. Very easy breakfast recipe. If you're not still satisfied, you can still flip over. So guys, like I said, you're going to love this French toast recipe. This is okay. Repeat the same process. So if your oil dries up, just add little oil. Okay, flip over, and please make sure once you dip in the bread into the egg mixture, bring it out immediately, okay, because we don't want a soggy French toast. So guys, this is it. Yum 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 yum. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. You're going to love it. And if you have kids, they will also love it. They will love it, guys. Isn't this yummy? Sprinkle some honey for more deliciousness. This is good. Guys, it was so delicious. And I know once you try it, you're going to love it. Yes. Yum, 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 yum. Wow. This is good. Bye, guys. Try it out and give me feedback. Guys, this was so delicious. Tasty. Yummy. Hey. You're going to love it, honestly. Make sure you try it out. Make sure you try it out, like I would always tell you guys. Hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye.